All right, thank you for joining ArcBlock's Blocklet a demo a day. And in this demo, we're going to look at Vue Vite and deploy it on top of ABT Node using an open source blocklet. So for those of you who don't know, Vue is a progressive framework to easily build user interfaces and designed to be incrementally adopted, very similar to how we approach blocklets and being able to add the components you need kind of as you need them. And in this demo, we've combined Vue with Vite. So Vite offers a no bundler dev setup that allows you to develop Vue apps with single file components without any bundling during development. So interestingly enough, Vite not only works with Vue.js, but also can be used by other libraries like ReactJS. So let's go ahead and get started. And first thing we're going to do is visit www.github.com/blocklets. And on that page, you can see here we've got a list of open source blocklets. Anybody can actually use these, modify these, and develop their own projects using these. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and look for the Vue plus Vite demo. And you can see it's right here. Let's go ahead and actually click on that. Now, of course, we've got the README file, and there's a couple of different installation options on here. For this demo, we're going to choose the option to open in Gitpod, and we're going to actually deploy the blocklet in the cloud using ABT Node. Let's get started. So now, as you can see, the environment's starting. And for this demo, we're using Gitpod's Cloud IDE, which again allows anyone to immediately begin coding on top of ABT Node with nothing more than a browser. Now, similar to some of our previous demos, I think it's obvious ABT Node is a flexible platform that enables developers to quickly adopt different technologies, developer tools, and use them on top of ABT Node to make it easy to build, deploy, and manage their DApps, blockchains, and DLT projects. Now, at this point, one of the things we can see is that our ABT Node daemon has started and that our local dev environment has actually been deployed. And it's important to note that a blocklet during this deployment process already includes everything you need. And in this case, we have everything we need to begin using Vue on top of ABT Node. There are no additional dependencies or tools required to use Vue. Now, once this is ready, what we're actually going to see is there's two new URLs that will be generated. The first URL that we see here, it's a preview of gives us a preview of Vue in our browser. And the second URL enables us to access the ABT Node dashboard that was actually deployed during this process. So as you can see, everything is up and running, and we've got Vue Vite ready to use. And in our next demo, we're actually going to show you how to use Vue and immediately install it on top of ABT Node using the install on ABT Node feature. So we can't wait to see what you build, and thank you for watching this demo.